Hey YouTubers, you know who it is. Okay, so here it is. The tiling is done. I'm made it as flat as possible, as flush as possible. I spent the entire day basically grouting all this, and it's a silver grout. The silver on the gray on the silver on the smoke white on the gray is what I went with, and there it is there. And the toilet's gonna go there. I'm going to get this plumbed. I'm going to get the toilet installed. And the plumber's going to come in and do the rest. So the plumber's going to connect the shower, and get the sink finished. And the electrician's going to come in before Friday, put my light up. And the carpenter is going to do the crown moldings. I can't do crown moldings, but he's going to come and finish the crown moldings. And that's good to go. My mom did the paint. I went with the silver gray. A silver classic, sorry. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.